There's a lot of firearms people feel the same way, And even the Italians, I read that after World War II, of course, I'm not sure what all the regulations were for them after they were part of the Axis, but that they went to the Lee Enfield, I read, and then later to the Garand, I don't know, for whatever guns they needed, but and most of these went on the surplus market. And by the way, the 0.35 models, the bigger cartridge in these, most of those I think they gave to Finland, who was kind of at war with Russia at the time. So because there were logistic issues, so they just went back to the 6.5 and pretty much stuck with it. But some of you may have the 7.35 version of this, okay? Because there were a lot of them. Yep, I lost my. Let me put the pad on before I take my last shots here. I want at least it feel as good as it can. The old Carcano. I'm sorry, Carcano. I'll get it right. Oh, there's a little center block down there. He wants to jerk out of my hands when I try to work the bolt, keeping it up here. I'll slap it, I guess I could do it. Just really be rough with it. Be mean. Oh, there's another round. I want to shoot an animal. I don't want to hurt them. I'm going to shoot that ram up there. I can. Yeah, there we go. I just had to do that. So, I don't know any other lies to tell you about, but the model 38, named for the year, 1938. As you know, that was just coming up on World War II, and so they were pleased to have this rifle, I'm sure, and a new cartridge,